So hello you guys, now I'm going to show you how the attempt calculator log system gonna work. So firstly we need to set the reference password here. I'm gonna set it to all 0. And for example, if the user input wrong here, the is different from the reference password. Oh, I haven't reset the system. Let me reset it. Okay. So now if I input it wrong, the first line, which is wrong, or the first attempt, will be turned on. And if I submit it again, which means I will get another wrong for this submission, so this line will be turned on. And for a third time, we may still didn't get the correct password. This line will be turned on. This line means that you have entered the wrong password for the third time here. And if you still get the password wrong, the alarm will be turned on. And when the alarm turns on, hitting the button again or again will not change anything. It will not reset the system. Not until you enter the correct password and press the button again, the system gonna be returned to its initial state here. And if you input the password correctly, it will this unlock signal will be turned on here. So for example, and I hit the button again to reset. Okay. So for example, if you got it wrong for the first time, here this will be turned on, and this for the second try you get it correct. So this one will be turned on. There. How about you get it wrong for 2 times and then you get it correct here? Wrong for the first time, wrong for the second time, and correct all the third time. And similarly, if you get it wrong for 3 times, okay, wrong on the third time, and then you get correct the password correctly, the system will still be unlocked. Like that. So that is how the system works. So I'm going to show you the detail of the component of each. The detail of each component to construct the system. Okay, firstly is the input. This is the user input block, and this is the reference password block. And these XOR gates were used to compare the user input and the reference password. I can implement this using the basic gates, which will require the AND gate, NOT, and the OR gate. However, it will make the system look a little bit messy, so I just choose the XOR gate for simplicity. And after gathering all the comparison into a NAND gate, the input will be plugged into this one. And I use a NAND gate with a lock here to let the submit button control the lock signal. Okay, so let's turn to the master slave flip-flop. This is how it's gonna work. The data input gonna plug into here, and it's gonna flow and store data the next day and get the output over here. So the memory, as I have mentioned in the earlier video, because I use 3 bits to represent the status. So I use three master-slave flip-flop here to construct the memory. And this is the state controller. I have already mentioned this in the reverse video too, so you can check it. And the selector. And that's all for the demo.